तो वो जो मक्खन वाला स्मूथ फ्लोइंग प्रोसेस है, समवेयर आई फील वो इसलिए भी नहीं है क्योंकि जो गोरे हैं, इन लोग की मैं जितनी मेकिंग ऑफ वीडियोस देखता हूँ एनिमेटेड शोज़ की, वो हमेशा ये होती है, हाँ, हमने स्क्रिप्ट लिखी, हाँ, हमने स्टोरी बोर्ड किया, हमने ये किया, देन वी ऑल पुट इट टुगेदर, वी सेंड इट टू चाइना, देन इट कम्स बैक। पूजिता का क्या हो रहा है, पूजिता का क्या हो रहा है, तो आई वाज लाइक आई वांट टू आंसर ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस इस बार।
Hi everybody. Hi guys. I'm Sumit. I'm the co-creator of Aapki Pujita with Adhiraj Singh.
And I'm Vivek. I am directing the series.
और हम लोग ने बहुत टाइम से आप लोग को अपडेट्स नहीं भेजी है, so there are some updates for you. Our one episode is finished, so clip of that is playing behind us, and we are going to send it to you. आप लोग सारे देख सकते हो in the description that follows this video. You will have the link and the password to see this episode. One thing is, please don't share it. You see it, it's for your eyes only.
So we finished one episode, and we are now talking to different partners and different, broadcasting partners to get more funding for the remaining episodes. The way it works is, if a distributor shows interest in the project, then the funds flow easily. So that's what we're doing. For the next 6 months, we have another pilot that has been commissioned to us, and that is our timeline to find funding to do the remaining Pujita episodes at one go, the remaining 5 episodes at one go.
So basically, the thing about this one is कि why do we need more money, right? Kickstarter का पैसा enough नहीं था क्या? तो just to set that in context, जब हमने Kickstarter की funding raise की तो उस time पर we were making 6-minute episodes. While making it, we realized 6 minutes is not enough. We want to make 12-minute episodes. So automatically our budget became twice as much. साथ में we made the decision to also do higher quality. So basically the episode you're seeing here, and when you see it, it lands, in my opinion, I don't know if you will agree or not, just a notch above Rick and Morty.
It is slightly higher. You will, I don't want to compare, matlab, but I would say grammar and
But the quality is landed slightly better, so it obviously will need slightly more money. So basically the Kickstarter money we have is almost like 25% of the budget. We still need 75%. The show that we have been commissioned, it is a pilot, and next 6 months we have done with Pujita ka episode, and next 6 months while we finish that pilot, me and Shuddha, my teammate, are going around doing conversations to find a distributor and a producer. That is what we are doing for the next 6 months. Now, what happens, Vivek, if we find that money? Then what happens?
Then basically we have to do all 5 episodes at a go, and in a shorter time, obviously, than it took the first episode, where we were sort of organizing everything, laying the groundwork, the style and animation and the background style and everything. So the next 5 episodes you want to finish in one go.
And what happens if we don't find money?
If you don't find the money, then also we will sit and finish all the 5 episodes ourselves.
So then the mindset is, even if we don't find the money, we have taken money from you. So we owe it to you. So then we will sit and we will basically either put our own money, either we will, go around asking for, episode level producers or a producer or an investor for the whole remaining money and just do it. But we will nonetheless finish it. So there's one more radical idea.
So we've been looking at different sources of fundings, right, for series, and we find that funding for a feature animation is much more easily available, and it's a more well established marketplace, and the way to approach that marketplace is also well documented. But other than the animation series, so we are thinking of combining all the episodes to actually make a animated feature. So make the Pujitas not a series, to make it an animated feature. So that's one way of approaching it, and obviously then the funding conversation changes majorly, and hopefully many more doors will open. It's still up for debate, and we are thinking about this.
Basically, story हमारी ऐसी है कि it's a continuing narrative. So that's why we can do it. Also, duration wise, we also come close to a feature. Writing more jokes has never been a problem for me and Adhiraj. I think we can happily do it. We actually cut a lot of parts which we can bring back. And बेसिकली डोमेस्टिक सीन जो है, पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है हमारे देश में सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डिप्रेशन है एनिमेशन को लेके, दुश्मनी, नफरत कुछ तो है। तो अगर डोमेस्टिक लोग पैसा नहीं देंगे, डोमेस्टिक प्रोड्यूसर्स पैसा नहीं देंगे, तो टैलेंट बाहर जाएगा। तो विल गो आउट, एंड आउटसाइड फीचर को लेकर सिस्टम बेटर डेवलप्ड है, तो देन we'll do that, and Pujita will not be an Indian series. It will be whoever gives us money. It will be a German series. It will be whatever. So that's, I think, good punishment for local producers if they don't give us money. But main thing is that we will wrap it nonetheless. Like we committed it to you. We will finish it, and we will finish. While doing this episode, like just to go in slight more detail, I think episode 1 maybe had a lot of teething phase, right?
Right.
So do you want to recount any major problems we faced?
I think, this was also like for us the biggest production scale wise. So purely from that point of view, what your team size should be. We kind of had a very big team to work on it, and that kind of affected the consistency in places because of which we had to redo a lot of animation. So now I think we have a better understanding that what is the correct team size for something like this. Once a show becomes really big and there are a lot of libraries, then I guess you can have a 300, 400 member team. I don't know what to think is. But for us to be able to manage it well and retain, the consistency and the acting performances, I think we think the team size going forward.
उसके अलावा एक चीज़ जो लोग बार बार पूछते हैं ये कि ये क्या है, मतलब ये जो सीरीज़ हम बना रहे हैं या कहाँ बैठती है, मतलब क्या ये वो यूट्यूब वाली जो एपिसोड 1 लोगों ने देखा है, क्या ये उसका एपिसोड 2 है, क्या है? एक तो नैरेटिव वाइज ये किधर बैठता है, तो मैं ही आंसर देता हूँ उसका। ये बेसिकली वो एपिसोड 1 जो था वो एक एपिसोड था ऑफ द सीरीज, एंड दिस इज इन द सेम सीरीज, इट इज मोर एपिसोड्स ऑफ सेट इन द सेम वर्ल्ड, कैरेक्टर सेम है, सब सेम है, बट इट्स जस्ट अ डिफरेंट सीरीज ऑफ एपिसोड्स, द सेम स्टोरी। एक और आई थिंक जो गलती हमने की थी वो शुरू में हमने चिंदी बनाई किया और हमने एक्सपीरियंस्ड एनिमेटर्स को ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया, बट देन व्हाट वी लर्न द हार्ड वे इज़ दैट you need to spend money and get good animators on board to really get quality. मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से आई थिंक एक और चीज़ थी विच आई रियलाइज्ड इज दैट पूरा जो बन के आता है इनका, दैट इज़ व्हाट वी नीड टू इमेजिन। आई थिंक हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा चिंता की थी एनिमेशन को लेकर के, शॉट अच्छे से एनिमेट हुआ है नहीं हुआ, वर्सेस के एंड में जो पूरा बन के आएगा वो है मेजर कंसर्न।
हाँ, with the sound, with the compositing,
हाँ,
everything.
या मतलब दैट रील नाउ वी हैव मेड ना कि एनिमेशन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द होल सीन, राइट? हाँ, उसके अलावा आई थिंक एक और चीज़ है जो अभी तक मेजॉरिटी हमने ज़्यादा लोगों से डिस्कस भी नहीं की है, वो है हमारी वॉइस कास्ट। एंड वी हैव अ स्पेक्टेक्युलर वॉइस कास्ट जिसको लेके हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं।
Right, I'm sure the backers would know, right?
Backup for this video, I think we'll go out even to a larger audience. Okay, हाँ, who might not know, right?
So Pujita is being voiced by Sana Said, and if you know, she is basically Anjali from the Shah Rukh starrer Kuch Kuch Hota Hai ages back. She really, when he approached her, she really loved it because her personal story also resonates with Pujita. She's been a child actor herself, so she really related to Pujita as a character, and therefore she put really a lot of emotion into the role, and it was like really fantastic.
अभी रिसेंटली व्हेन आई वेंट टू लाइटबॉक्स एक्सपो तो लॉस एंजलिस, तो आई इवन वेंट एंड आई मेट हर एंड लाइक द सेम एनर्जी स्टिल देयर। तो बेसिकली व्हेन शी मेट अस, शी हैड अ चैट विद अस, शी वाज रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट कि हाँ एडल्ट एनिमेशन करना है। वो लॉस एंजलिस में बेस्ड है, तो जब वहाँ भी मैं गया अभी, आई प्लेड द एपिसोड फॉर हर एंड इट brought tears to her eyes in terms of like how happy she was seeing her own voice, क्योंकि इस एपिसोड में there's a character called पापी पेट। वो पूजिता भूखी होती है तो उसका पेट बड़ा होकर पापी पेट बन जाता है, और उसने ही पापी पेट को भी वॉइस किया है, बट शी कुड नॉट बिलीव हर ओन एक्टिंग। तो उसमें भी लाइक she was really happy. And then Bhabhi is, so there is no Bhaiya in Aapki Pujita, there is Pujita, there is Bhabhi. Bhaiya कोई है नहीं, randomly ये Bhabhi है. Bhabhi is being voiced by
Gauhar Khan.
Gauhar Khan.
Oh, very well.
हाँ, तो Gauhar Khan, you might remember her from lot of things she does and also her Instagram. She's a very established actor. And Gauhar Khan originally मेरी और अधिराज की references थी when we were basically drawing the character. तो गौहर खान जो है वो she was also, you know, at that time what happened was she was pregnant around that time and we were also very stressed क्योंकि हमें production चालू करनी थी. But then we also made the decision कि नहीं, we will wait until Gauhar Khan is available to do it. And as soon as she was available, then we did the recording. And funny enough was that there is a particular part in episode 5 जहाँ there is one joke where she could not stop laughing. And I had, that joke was actually removed पहले पर बाद में डाला and she could not stop laughing and she was actually crying. हमें recording रोकनी पड़ी थी 3-4 बार for her to stop.
Basically, you have to hold it in because इसके बाद what is going to happen is you have to slap that woman for doing it to you. Because आपका you've read इसका next dialogue. Read इसका next dialogue क्या है?
I can't.
No, I'm just saying it'll kill you even more. इसके बाद next dialogue जो है.
Okay, but that was also a fantastic moment. So basically, why this, like you will enjoy what we are making. And अभी हमने एक एपिसोड खत्म किया, उसी में हमारी इतनी लर्निंग्स improve हो गई, इतना कुछ improve हो गया कि we are sure if we are able to do all of it, we will also end up मतलब with a very interesting fun thing.
We love to meet and engage with Pujita fans in all the Comic Cons and meet them
Actually ये
face to face.
मेरा सपना है, अगर कोई बिल्कुल वेला है जिसके पास एक्स्ट्रा टाइम है, a girl who wants to cosplay, actually a boy also, I don't care, and cosplay as Pujita, I'll give you one free graphic novel if you do that. Like just wear that surreal orange and red suit, sarkari style, and please out. There was one more thing which I wanted to talk about is the way this depressingness the matlab, you know, the country as a whole has with animation, like
Not only animation.
with a lot of things, but animation को लेके मतलब लोगों में एक वो है जहाँ मतलब what I see the environment is कि हमेशा कोई भी एक बड़ा लैंडमार्क एनिमेशन प्रोजेक्ट जो भी टीम करने जाती है वो टीम ही मर जाते तो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली हम भी मर ही जाएंगे. बट ये ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड ये रहा. दूसरा है लाइक यू कैन टेक दिल्ली सफारी, यू कैन टेक वो युगो साको की रामायण, यू कैन टेक हनुमान, जिन लोगों ने मतलब मोस्टली तो माइथोलॉजी वाले सब्जेक्ट्स बनाते हैं जो अपने आप में पका हुए. बट अभी रिटर्न ऑफ द जनरल वैभव कुमरेश ने भी बनाया, अभी वो रिलीज भी नहीं हुआ है बट ऑलरेडी इट इज़ कंज्यूम्ड देयर. तो वो जो मक्खन वाला स्मूथ फ्लोइंग प्रोसेस है समवेयर आई फील वो इसलिए भी नहीं है क्योंकि जो गोरे हैं इन लोग की मैं जितनी मेकिंग ऑफ वीडियोस देखता हूँ एनिमेटेड शोज़ की, वो हमेशा ये होती है, हाँ हमने स्क्रिप्ट लिखी, हाँ हमने स्टोरी बोर्ड किया, हमने ये किया, देन वी ऑल पुट इट टुगेदर, वी सेंड इट टू चाइना, देन इट कम्स बैक. देयर इज दिस बिग सिटी ग्रीन्स में एक पूरा क्लिप है अबाउट दिस के वो बना रहे हैं एनिमेशन, लाइक हाउ इज एनिमेशन मेड इज नेम ऑफ द क्लिप. दे ये बना रहे हैं, देन दे डू स्टोरी बोर्ड्स, देन दे दिस एंड देन दे शो देयर इज अ बिग रॉक जिस पे वो सब लगाया एंड दे शूट इट टू साउथ कोरिया.
Huh, making cartoons is way weirder than I thought it'd be.
자, 여러분, 일합시다.
Now let's see what the fans on the internet think.
So basically, they can get their imagination made for such a cheap price because we exist. And when white people come to us, we put over and above effort. But खुद की imagination करने का खर्चा ज़्यादा पड़ता है. हम अगर वो अपने domestic animation करते हैं तो जो रेट पड़ता है वो, but I think money also is not a thing. I think there's just this strange depressingness around animation करना या देखना.
जो बस थकाऊ लगता है नहीं कभी कभी.
The animation देखना, I mean, strangely, I don't watch much animation.
Even I don't know. Outside of work, I don't. हाँ.
So I don't know much about watching animation, but I love watching this making of videos or different shows and adult animation shows and how they struggled and what are their paths, like the family in one that you shared and how we came to the stories and how to just some pencil sketches and how it sort of came together, and their story is so similar to ours, that it really pumps me up. Ki ha, you're doing something right, we're on the right track, we're having similar things. So I just
There
have
are
to take inspiration from.
You're a far more better, hopeful person, nice person. Because I also got inspired with that one. So art of books में Pixar की art of books are not of much use to me. मुझे वो BoJack Horseman की art of book है जो मुझे मुकुंद ने दी थी. That was very useful. And उसके because that was about a show and especially a written animation show.
हाँ.
And this movie that came out ना वो Michelle's versus the Machines में the line they say that drawing has no cost. जितने आइडिया है ना सब ड्रॉ करो, ड्रॉ करके देखो, ड्रॉ करके देखो, दैट. बट वही है. एंड देन लाइक अभी डोमेस्टिक एनिमेशन सीन में क्या हो रहा है, एक तरफ एक तो बहुत ही सैड है कि बॉम्बे की पूरी इतनी बड़ी एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री है, उसमें किसी डायरेक्टर को एनिमेशन के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं. देयर सो एनिमेशन इलिटरेट, हंसी आती है कभी कभी मुझे. मतलब बड़े से बड़े डायरेक्टर है, मतलब यार तुम अपने करियर कर रहे हो इतना लंबा, एक एनिमेटेड शॉट भी बनाओ ना बीच को, एक अलग मीडियम है, ट्राई करके देख. उनका सारा दिमाग काम करता है स्क्रिप्ट सेलिब्रिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, स्क्रिप्ट सेलिब्रिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर. मैं इतने गधों से बात कर चुका हूँ ना, मैं कब चुका कि मतलब एक वो है. दूसरा है फिर बाइथोलॉजी में जो एनिमेशन फिल्म कभी कभी किसी ने बना ली वो. फिर उसके बाद है यूट्यूब पे जो लोग एनिमेशन कर रहे, तो उनमें कुछ अच्छे भी है, बट यूट्यूब एनिमेशन का जो मुझे समझ आया है कि वो सारे लोग कान से देखते हैं कि उसमें बस वो 50,000 जोक होंगे क्रैम्ड इन 30 सेकेंड्स, और उसमें हमेशा कोई ना कोई वो जैसे भुवन बाम की अर्ली वीडियोस होती है ना, उसमें कोई ना कोई चीखता रहता है, अरे बड़वा नानी इधर आ जा, नानी मौसी का मर्डर कर दे, अरे क्या क्या कुछ चीखता रहता है कोई ना कोई उसमें. और लास्ट है जो एक तरफ ये यूट्यूब एनिमेशन जिसमें कोई ना कोई चीखता रहेगा, और दूसरा है जो जिन सबको हम जानते हैं जो फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स के लिए शॉर्ट्स बना रहे हैं, जिसमें हमेशा एक सिंबॉलिक मीनिंग होगा, कोई पता नहीं बच्चे का सपना होगा जो पूरा नहीं हो रहा, और उसकी एनिमेशन फैंटेसी, वो सारे ये डिज़ाइन कॉलेज के, यू आर गिल्टी ऑफ वन ऑफ दोज कॉलेजेस जहाँ से भर के निकलते हैं.
एक तो है व्हेन यू मेक योर फर्स्ट फिल्म,
हाँ.
हमेशा उसमें वो ऑटोबायोग्राफी तो होता है. हाँ, तब 99% ऑफ फिल्म मेकर्स हु एनिमेट देयर फर्स्ट फिल्म, कुछ तो उसमें एलिमेंट ऑफ ऑटोबायोग्राफी होती है. सो यू एंड व्हेन यू आर लाइक इन योर 20s, इफ यू लुक एट योर पास्ट, लाइक यू मेक अ किड ओनली ना. हाँ, तो बच्चों को लेके बनती है. तो दैट्स अ वेरी कॉमन दिस थिंग.
Like how you're fighting for your people.
इट्स जस्ट एन ऑब्जर्वेशन.
But most of these film festival films are very pagao. Mala, I'll be honest, like I are one of the people who work with a lot, Aditi Dixit. My funniest person I know. Like I feel like funnier at par, like best funniest person I know. And even her short film is such a pagao film. So मतलब I don't get it. Like this YouTube animation is in one end, and ये जो film festival Occidental वाली animation is at the other end. There's no meeting. I think meeting ground हम लोग attempt करते, फिर हमारे monthly sketches तो कोई देखता ही. So one more update is, बीच में we had stopped it while we were doing आपकी पूजिता का episode 1 is we have started to do our monthly sketches again.
So this was something we always intended to do, but with Pujita and our client work, it became too much. So now we've again got back to it. Our goal is to make one short animation sketch every month, in spite of what we are doing. And mostly they come up from the comics that we upload on our website. And we monitor the comics which are performing well, and we convert them into an animation short. and the goal is to explore different styles of animation, different styles of storytelling, different styles of breaking down a scene. One could be, a long story with many duration, many cuts, many locations. One could be a single scene. So it basically builds our animation muscle, builds a storytelling muscle, animation design sensibility, and everybody on the team, fine tunes all these aspects of writing for animation, of doing animation under a deadline. So we challenge ourselves to do a short every month. It's pretty tough, but it's fun to actually have it on the day and put up on YouTube or Insta or whatever and see what people say about it. It's quite a exciting thing as well.
मेरे लिए also as like working in comedy, it's like कि और कौन सा joke I can crack. Sometimes you play with the idea कि अच्छा maybe this is for critical acclaim, more auteur type, and maybe one sometimes you do thinking of अच्छा ये mass popularity के लिए हमने बनाया है. तो and also like just rethinking of them also makes me laugh. मतलब obviously as Shark Tank made that Ashwini Grover established कि I like to laugh at my own jokes. But like let's do our favorite sketches. My favorite till now is Hindustan. If you haven't seen it in that one, basically it's patriotism on drugs. Basically, some people are complaining about India and a puffed up Gandhi shoots them through a laser gun and then starts like a death metal version of Hindustan border का जो Hindustan गाना है उसका cover, and you see visuals of Hindustan being the best, and it ends with Mahatma Gandhi slashing like a riff on guitar and Jinnah on the side doing bass. So you should see that. That's my favorite.
Mine, I think, is Cylinder Boys. Because I think we all most of us Cylinder Boys. If you know what a Cylinder Boys is, you will know after you see this.
Why you tell a little bit about the short?
I mean, it's a short story for that too. I mean, for people to see it. What a cylinder boy. Like, the other question is, are you a cylinder boy? There is a cylinder girl, right?
There are cylinder girls. So basically you see all these actresses जिनको सिर्फ वो कामवाली के रोल करवाते, देखा है, बेचारी डस्की है, सिर्फ डस्की है और देखने में क्लियरली इंडियन है, तो उसको वो बेचारी साले कास्ट ही कामवाली के रोल में करते हैं. हाँ, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे स्केचेस हैं. तो अब हम मंथली स्केचेस वी बॉट बैक. It takes a lot to do them, but at the same time, I think we have also inflated it a lot, because if you see Saturday Night Live behind the scenes, वो लोग हर हफ्ते they put up a 1 hour show. Obviously, they're paid for it, etc. But YouTube animators को देखो, they put up one video every week. So I also feel we need to, if we dial down some things, balance it, we can figure it out, and we will do that. We're doing it again. Basically, the thing is, we know कि scene depressing है, take it, but we just want to become impossible. Basically, that we will just keep doing so much that like we will irritatingly just be there. We'll just be there so much that it becomes impossible to not see it. It's like we'll become Himesh Reshammiya type. Ghatiya sa kuch.
That is Sumit's dream. But
हाँ.
for me personally, it really sort of, working with long format animation, when you're imagining timelines of 11 minutes, 5 minutes, it's a different mindset only. So these small shots are fun to do, and they keep you fresh. They keep that storytelling part of you very fresh also.
And another challenge, most of these sketches come out of the end comics we've already done.
Right.
So that also puts a pressure that we need to keep making slightly more comics once in a while, because like some of them, like the Delhi comic we made, up that is ready to be made. So anywho, this was like a whole bigger holistic update on what's happening on Pujitha, how monthly sketches are back, how we are doing this pilot. Actually, we do want to talk a little bit about the pilot, maybe not reveal the channel name, but just talk a little bit about the pilot we are making these next 6 months. Zindagi Si GHS.
Right. So it's again, knowing us, it's not for kids. It's again in a adult animated scene, if you will, and it's about everyday life that all of us in India go through, and all the things that anger you and piss you off, but again, they're part of life, and it's basically a way to laugh at all these things. That's what I would say. I mean, the show is all about for me.
तो basically it's set in a society which is called Zindagi CGHS. CGHS is Central Government
Central Group Housing Society.
Cooperative group.
Cooperative Group Housing Society. So Zindagi CGHS. And Vivek came up with the concept way back when he was living in a society like that. वो फोड़े वाली दीवारें होती हैं जिसमें पुरानी सोसाइटी जहाँ पार्किंग की जगह नहीं मिलती, भरा रहता है एंड
फिर क्या बंदी होती,
हाँ
लिफ्ट भी नहीं होते,
लिफ्ट बना रहे हैं लोग अपनी, लड़ाई होती है।
लड़ाई होती रहती है, लिफ्ट बनती नहीं है फिर फाइनल।
तो हमारी टैगलाइन थी एवरीबडी लिव्स इन अ सोसाइटी। सलमान खान से लेके हम सब तक एवरीबडी लिव्स इन अ सोसाइटी।
तो ये हमने पिच किया था टू अ मेजर नेशनल टेलीविजन channel, and because we were pitching Pujita and somebody told us no keep pitching more ideas also, so they liked it and then the process started around 1.5 years back and धीरे धीरे while we were finishing Pujita it came up, it got approved and उन्होंने हमें पैसा दिया पायलट बनाने का। तो सब अब शाने हो ही चुके हैं, इंटरनेट पढ़ के सबको पता है पायलट क्या होता है। तो पायलट बनाने का उन्होंने हमें पैसा दिया, तो अब वो पायलट बन रहा है।
फिर प्लेन भी बनेगा,
वाह
उड़ेगा भी। पहले पायलट पिछले
just a 10-second मौन व्रत on this घटिया joke. Please play वो ऊपरी जो बजाते हैं जब कोई शहीद हो जाता है।
तो ये वो नहीं, वो शादी हो रही
ठीक है, हाँ। But I'll also put one slot here like a corner video for Adhiraj to add if he wants to add anything. So Adhiraj. हाँ पायलट हो गया, सब चीज़ों के बारे में हमने बात कर ही ली है। एनी थॉट्स, एनीथिंग? द 5 people who watch Pucker Max the animation on YouTube, please you 5 people please put a comment down, say anything if you want to. But I wanted to give you a peek behind the scenes because हम लोग इतना बताते नहीं है। Actually one more thing that happened on Edition is it's been 5 years since we incorporated Pucker Max as a company. So in those 5 years like the highlights have been that again we survived, number one, because we had no capital. किसी ने पैसा नहीं दिया था एक कंपनी शुरू करने के लिए। Second, we were incubated at IIM Bangalore, but जहाँ business के experts ने बोला है कि they can't find a reason why this business survives. There is no financial sense. Then we were on Shark Tank. Then we did a cred film with Chacha Chaudhary and Supaldeep. Then the team became big, small, everything. So that happened.
Then Pujita, of course.
Pujita Kickstarter happened, and this is happening. So lot of things have happened in 5 years. तो हाँ मतलब देखते हैं. And Karejwa
अरे right.
Karejwa the book happened. Actually right now we are building a small little trailer of Karejwa to pitch it around also as another animated short.
Yeah.
Animated film directed by Varun Grover. So that is also being developed. So yeah, there's also one whole thing we built जो कभी हुआ नहीं, बेकार भवन, तो उसका देखते हैं आगे क्या होगा. But yeah, anything else to wrap up? कुछ और? That's pretty much it. But one thing that happened also is interesting enough for you is this year we on Comic Con we had all our graphic novels hardcover premium. But उसके साथ we did a basically Vivek की there's a comic series he does called Orin the Parent Tamer.
Right. So, I mean, I was making these strips for a long time. I think last 3-4 years I've been making these strips. So we combined them in a book form and we kind of print a few copies. And we did a soft launch in Comic Con. And please, if you want to come to the next Comic Con and pick it up, it'll be really fantastic.
हाँ तो वो अवेलेबल है मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली. एंड आई ऑल्सो डिड दिस अनदर कॉमिक ऑन माई अमेरिका ट्रिप. उसमें स्ट्रिप क्लब वगैरह के बारे में भी लिखा है, तो नंगी पुंगी चीज़ें भी है, तो वो ऑनलाइन है, पढ़ सकते हो. एंड वी विल प्रिंट मे बी उसका एक पेपर बैक वर्जन एंड कीप इट एट मे बी द नेक्स्ट कॉमिक कॉन. बट हाँ, सो दैट इज़ इट. बड़ा होलिस्टिक अपडेट एंड थैंक यू. एंड मे बी या यू विल सी Pujita soon enough. All these other things that we are doing. So yeah, maybe a long, thick update for you. And we are Pucker Max. We make original stories. We also do client work with interesting clients. And we are all remote. We work from our own home studios.
And yeah, this is it. And we have survived for 5 years. Let's see if we are able to survive more years. Every year we do it.
This scam keeps going on. I am really happy. So yeah. So see you. Bye bye. यही है. If you have any more questions, maybe there are comments. Please, you can write them. Maybe we'll put it on YouTube. So you can write there. We can share more updates.
Those share videos also asking the questions.
How will they share videos if
Shoot नहीं कर सकते video.
पता नहीं कर सकते actually.